the Rog Astral. It is factory sealed. We're going to go ahead and unbox this one. This is probably the one that most people would be interested in seeing. Alright. It's kind of ripped on it a little bit. Be alright. I don't plan on returning this or scalping it. This is for me. It's in there. Make sure there's no rocks in here. There's our accessories. There she is. Make absolute beast of a card. About 14 inches long. 600 watt power connector will go there. A plug-in to the BIOS switch here. Looks brand new. Well, I've seen some complaints that people were claiming they were getting refurbished ones. I have to peel this plastic off later. Well, there she is.